over now! Enjoy! You've earned it! You're all such good pups! I'm okay!
You could go it backwards, you know.
Here, Marshall. We'll pull you out.
Chase? When did you get here?
Marshall, I've been here the whole...
Phew!
Nice catch, Marshall.
Dizzle,
Must be your lucky
color
collar
again.
No, it's not my collar that makes me lucky. It's having such great friends. Thanks for helping me rescue Hootie. And for rescuing me.
You know what they say, Marshall? Whenever you're in trouble,
Just
just
yep for now.
Enjoy! You've earned it! You're all such good pups!
I'm okay.
Hey parents, your kids can have fun learning with Paw Patrol in Noggin. When your kids are on a mission with the Paw Patrol, they develop valuable social skills like teamwork, build problem-solving abilities, and learn to be a helpful part of their community.